Why do 70% of crypto users struggle with transfers? Let's simplify the process of moving USDT from OKX to Binance. First, gather your essentials. Never share your seed phrase. It's your wallet's lifeline. Log in to Binance, head to Wallet, Fiat and Spot. Deposit and select USDT. Choose the right blockchain network like ERC20 or TRC20 and copy the deposit address. Next, prepare your OKX wallet. If it's connected to OKX, log in, find USDT in your assets, and click Withdraw. If you're using a self-custody wallet, make sure you have enough native tokens like ETH or TRX for transaction fees. Now let's transfer those funds. Paste the deposit address from Binance into the OKX wallet withdrawal page. Double-check the network matches on both platforms, ERC20 with ERC20, for example. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, confirm the details, and approve the transaction. Finally, verify the transfer. Go back to Binance and check wallet. Transaction history. Deposits might take a few minutes, so be patient. Remember these key points. Never share your seed phrase, ensure you have enough for transaction fees, and always match the network. And there you have it, USDT transferred safely and securely. Don't forget to subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. Happy trading.